We're delighted to be here with you today again, joining you on this beautiful journey that you are taking. It is an amazing journey to be on a precipice. On the precipice of what we would call the Golden Age. Many of you have probably heard that term. The Golden Age has been mentioned in many of your sacred books. The Golden Age is a time in which each one of you individually, and as a collective humanity, have planned and designed for many centuries. You have designed the Golden Age, and you are now standing at the precipice of this age. And it is true that this solar plexus energy center is associated with the Golden Age. There was a time that you knew who you truly are. You knew that you were one with each other. There was a time where you had no judgment of yourself or your brothers and sisters. There was a time when criticism of self or another did not exist within your civilization. There was a time when you, as a creator, shined your light brightly and created moment by moment everything that you desired. There was a time when you only knew love, when you only knew peace, and that time turned into an experiment with duality, and an experiment with polarity, an experiment with being veiled. And so you became veiled, the connection points that caused you to know yourself as one with all were blinded. Do you remember who you were? You do not. You cannot remember who you were because you have been veiled. And you did this intentionally. What is the point of being veiled, you might wonder? Well, the point of being veiled is to move through and past the challenges of becoming unveiled. It's like flexing a muscle. The resistance of the veil helps you to become stronger. You become a brighter light. You become a more expanded consciousness. And we say to you, it is time now for you to remove the veils that have been standing in your way. It is time for you to reunite with your brothers and sisters, to find the unity and the harmony that has always been there underneath your veils. And today, in this journey, the unveiling of your power, embracing responsibility is also the removing of being a victim. It's the removing of blame. It's the bringing forth the 100% responsibility for everything in your life. And when you become 100% responsible for everything in your life, you cease to blame. You cease being a victim. And that is what is absolutely required for you to experience freedom. When you are a victim to someone or something, you are giving your power away. It is almost as if your energy is leaking. When you complain, or you admonish yourself or another, or when you blame another, you are literally throwing away your energy. This is why it is so important for you to release that which has you in the state of blame. Only then can you begin to fully experience yourself as free. Most of you have never experienced what freedom is. Freedom is what is on the other side of releasing being a victim. For a moment, we invite you to close your eyes and imagine for a moment what the world would be like. Your world. What would your world look like if no one was a victim? What would your world be like if everyone took 100% responsibility for everything in their life? That is the Golden Age. That is what we refer to as the time of the Golden Age in which you will experience freedom. And it is not far away. It is available to you in this lifetime if you choose it, and it is most certainly available to your children and your children's children. So you can begin today in this beautiful breath journey. Focus your attention on the beautiful glands and organs and systems that carry the programs and the codes of blame and of submission, of being a victim or of surrender. As you see them, as you experience them in your feelings, in your emotions, and in your memory, allow your breath to pull them out of where they are. Allow the life force to move through your entire body. Welcome the light codes as they transmute the programs that need to be released. Watch as your butterfly emerges and you take off in flight. As always, we will be with you, along with your other guides, your teachers, your beautiful souls. We will be there with you. Thank you for having us here. We are so delighted to share this wisdom with you. Thank you.